Hello, welcome. My name is Caleb Vudikiora. I'm a university student taking Bachelor of Education Technology and Computer. My registration number is 10 1977-21. This is industrial trip take to 90. Okay, in this video, I'm going to give a brief summary of what happened during our trip at Mombasa. Okay, we started our journey on 17th of March. That is where we departed from Moi University. It was on Saturday. So we traveled all through to Mombasa. The journey was safe. We arrived safely. We thank God. So we took a rest on that day. So on the following day, we started our visiting the companies. So we started with company that is called AVA, Associated Vehicle Assemblers. So in this company, they import parts of the vehicle, mint parts of the vehicle, and then they they assemble them together. So their work is mainly to assemble the parts of the vehicle to come up with a big vehicle. So some of the vehicle that they assemble are disassembled lorries, scanias, that is buses, even tuk-tuk, they assemble them there. So that's what the company deals with. So we then visited another company that is called Corrugated Sheet Nuba Group of Companies. So in this company, they deal with steels. So we concentrated on sheet metals, iron sheet, while they are being made. So they import a sheet to the company. When they import the sheet, always have the rust. So the first process is to remove the rust from the surfaces of the material. So this process of removing dust contains the HCl and hot water. So what's the purpose of the HCl? When the sheet passes through the HCl wash away the rust from the sheet. Then when it comes from the HCl, it is then passed through the hot water. So the purpose of the hot water is to remove the excess HCl on the surfaces of the sheet. So that's all that takes place on that process that is called pickling. So when that process is over, it is then taken to another process that is called a rolling. This is where to roll the sheet to a thin layer, thin sheet to the required or the specification of the company that is measured in mm. So after this, it is then taken to the production line. This is where some processes take place. There is stretch, there is alignment of the sheet, tightening. All these are take place here. So when it is passed through this process, it is then taken the profiling. In the profiling, they profile in different shapes, different grooves, or the customer specification. Okay, that's all that took place in this company. Then on the next day, on the same day, we proceeded to the Broro company. The Broro they deal with sheet, the the sheet, I don't the sheet, the steel. I mean, they deal with construction materials, the pipes. There all the construction materials. The steel one. they are being manufactured in this company. So we also visited Mombasa Cement. In the Mombasa Cement, it was founded in 1907. It has 17 years now from the day it was founded in Mombasa. It is located in neighborhood of Mikidani in the post city of Mombasa. So in this company, their main objective is to produce cement. So they have raw materials outside within the company. So they extract raw materials. They crush them into small particles. Oh, they have from many processes that took place there. Number one, I'm going to name a few, just going to name. So there is the extraction of the raw materials, there's creating raw materials, then there's producing of clingers, then there's grinding and preparing the cement, there is packing, storing, and transportation. So the process that takes place in the Mombasa cement. So we also visited African Marine. They construct and repair ships, ships in them. They have constructed the repairing section where they move water. They have their process of removing water from there, where they park their ships so that they can repair them. There is engineering workshop there where they made parts that are required to replace to be replaced in the ship, and then they also made some parts in this engineering workshop. Also they have engineers who dive into the water and also weld the leakages of the ship. Okay, this all also they remove rust from the surfaces of them. They have their processing, there is sandblasting, and then there is water blasting. The sandblasting they use sand, and then they brush using the sand, or they use water to remove the water at high pressure to remove the rust from the surface of the of the ship. So finally, we also attended, that is Kengen. In Kengen, there is production. They produce electricity. They use fuel. Fuel is the main what they use fuel to produce it. They have generators that is being run using fuel to produce the electricity there. So that's all that took place during our trip at Mombasa, and we thank God, and also we thank the Moi University for giving us this opportunity, so that we can have the experience of gaining some practical experiences. Thank you so much for university and the Department of Education Technology for enabling us to come this far. We thank all those who partake in this process is coming to the conclusion. Thank you for watching.